Apa punya cilaka dia buat ni? Tekan butang follow jika anda mahukan more Liverpool content. Pagi tadi, Liverpool menentang Southampton di dalam Carabao Cup. But oh boy, memang game ni tak lari dari kontroversi dan cilaka-cilakanya. Buat aku baran, bye. Ayuh kita ke talking points. As expected, banyak first 11 kita direhatkan. And this is the game yang kita akan bagi pada players yang perlukan game time. Players macam Rio, Leonie, Endo, this is their chance to shine. Aku tak surprise lah yang Southampton datang ke Anfield main defensif. Diorang nak draw, lepas tu expect penalty. Solution dia, early goal. Nasib baik, goalkeeper Soton McCarthy membuat kesilapan dan cantas Federico Chiesa ambil bola dan pass for Isak to make it his first goal of the campaign. But of course, ini Heart Attack FC lah. Southampton scored the equalizer. Endo mistime his jump to clear the ball. Bagi assist kepada Mamat ni. But then bola Andy Robertson kepada our main man, Federico Chiesa. Pass to Hugo Ekitike, score the winning goal. What a performance from Federico Chiesa. Dia dah macam naik hantu dah semalam. Right wing dia main, attacking midfield dia main, left wing dia main, 4 key passes, 4 shots and 2 assists. This guy deserves a place in the first team. Ganti siapa? Mamat ni. To me, that is Chiesa's goal lah. Dalam kau tak acknowledge Chiesa masa kau score tu, aku rarely attack players lah. But it is very selfish of him. Let's talk about the red card. Dalam kau dapat yellow dari perangai budak-budak kau ni. Apa motif kau buka baju ni? Aku tak faham lah players yang buka baju ni. Kau ingat kau star ke? Kalau kau play Liverpool, everyone is equal. Barista ke, mesus ke, kitman ke, cook person ke, players ke, manager, everyone is equal. Nobody is bigger than the club. Tolonglah simpan perangai selfish ni. Ni dah macam perangai Balotelli dah aku tengok, betul tak? Arne Slot pernah cakap dekat PC dia. It is needless and stupid. But never mind, dia muda lagi. He even posted an apology to everyone. Because of this, you missed out on the game versus Crystal Palace hari Sabtu ni. Game tu dah lah crucial. Aku rasa dia kena belajar dari Bobby macam mana nak buka baju. So Chiesa in next against Palace. He deserves it. This guy gave a performance worth a place in the first team. Another setback yang aku nak raise is injury Leonie lah. This is something yang kita tak perlu at this point of time. Aku harap injury dia tak serius lah. Tapi nampak serius lah. Apa pun, we move on. Next game is Crystal Palace away. Kita tengok je lah.